Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a popular topic, how to earn 1 lakh per day from the share market. Let's get right into it. First, educate yourself. Learn about the share market, its terms, and factors that affect stock prices. Books, online courses, and reliable financial websites are great resources. Next, develop a trading plan. Set your goals, risk tolerance, and preferred trading style. Stick to your plan and avoid impulsive decisions. Practice with a demo account if you're new. It lets you trade with virtual money and gain experience without risking your own. Choose a trustworthy broker with a user-friendly platform and reasonable charges. Research and analysis tools are helpful too. Learn technical analysis. Analyzing stock charts, trends, and using indicators helps you make informed decisions. Understand fundamental analysis. Analyze financial statements, earnings reports, industry trends, and company advantages. Manage risk wisely. Set stop-loss orders, diversify your portfolio, and invest only what you can afford to lose. Emotional discipline is crucial. Avoid impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Stick to your plan and stay rational. Keep learning. Stay updated with news, economic indicators, and market trends. Join communities and learn from experienced traders. Bonus point, build a network. Connect with like-minded individuals, attend seminars, and join trading groups. Sharing knowledge is valuable. And that's it for today. Remember, earning 1 lakh per day from the share market takes time, effort, and continuous learning. Start small, gain experience, and gradually increase your investments. Understand the risks involved and make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. Leave your questions or suggestions in the comments below. Happy trading, and see you next time.